Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English Naturally. In this video, we are going to master the use of on, at and in. Let's get started. On is used with days or date. At is used with time or period of time. And in is used with years, months, and seasons. So our first blank is blank 1996. Since 1966 is a year, we will use in 1996. Next we have blank January. January is a name of month, so we will use in January. Next we have blank 4th of April. Since 4th of April is a date, we will use on 4th of April. Next we have blank summer of 2024. Summer is a season and 2024 is year, so we will use in summer of 2004. Next we have the 1st of June. 1st of June is a date, so we will use on the 1st of June. Next we have blank 10 p.m. 10 p.m. indicates time, so we will use at 10 p.m. Next we have sunrise. Sunrise indicate period of time, so we will use at sunrise. Next we have blank 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock is time, so again we use at 4 o'clock. Next we have blank Friday. Friday is a day, so we will use on Friday. What will come in the next blank? Share in the comments below.